HR can be highly helpful and play a key role in your in-house career advancement. But get to the wrong side of the fence and they can tear your career plans and motivation into pieces. Come on, lassie, go easy. That sounds a bit rough. Well, yes, just make sure you're on the right side of the fence. Let's go and have a look at HR and the impact it has on your career development. And of course, with executable tips. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel, where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with an industry background, and I've had the opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented professionals just like yourself. In case you're up for weekly career acceleration tips, subscribe below and hit the notifications bell. Fine. It's not always so black and white. HR plays different power and influence roles in different companies, greatly defined by the CEO and his or her approach. But regardless, it is one of the core components that you need to consider when building and executing your in-house career advancement. And if you ask me, which you didn't, Chief CHRO should be present in all management teams alongside with the CEO, CFO, COO, and the rest. This, in my view, until the point where the company actually runs 100% on robots and AI. But that will be a while. Until then, human power rocks and should be represented at the top. And by the way, my upcoming on-demand course that launches in June will cover topics like this HR and 40 other core components that you need to consider to accelerate your in-house career advancement. Expect a very healthy ROI for your advancement. If you want a head start, drop your email below and you will be the first to know. But now, on the topic, HR is one of the core pieces of your in-house advancement. Although the reputation is not always the best, and sometimes the role of HR is even heavily ignored, there's a lot that happens behind the scenes that we should consider. HR, which comprises of the typical operational HR, including payroll, talent acquisition, and learning and development, has a lot to do with your journey inside the company. They are actively involved in the selection process, interviewing process, advancement process, pay scales, foreign assignments, and learning and development. Now, much of this happens in the background. Business and HR, they work together behind the scenes and they actually talk to each other quite a lot. There are evaluation processes, top talent lists that nobody will admit exists, evaluation committees, and so forth, all there to recognize who is to advance, who is to deliver quality work where they are, and who is on the watch list to be kicked out. And as you are one of the top talent in your organization, you can enhance this process by doing your part. Here are 3 ways to boost your visibility. Number 1, keep in touch with your HR business partner. Don't just disappear after being hired for years and expect that somebody will take care of your advancement. They won't. Number 2, network and connect with learning and development, talent acquisition, all levels, not just the top. There's plenty of information and wonderful connections to be made on all levels. Have lunch, coffee, the world will go around that you actually exist in the company and in this world, and that you're actually pretty cool. And number 3, help talent acquisition to get talent into the company. Share their job opportunities and pass the word. It helps the company and it definitely helps you. There you are. So in a nutshell, don't overlook HR and any of its functions, but work with them. Let them know that you exist in this world. That will enhance your chances to be on the top talent shortlist, which still doesn't exist. And if you want to max out your chances, join the upcoming program to uncover the other 40 core elements for your advancement. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.